Hey guys, it's Renee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my basic breakfast smoothie. My friend Sierra requested this video. I posted about it on Facebook and she was like, make me a video. So here it is. So what you're going to need is 2 ripe bananas. Ripe bananas are speckly, and if they come off of the bunch like this, like with no little peely back thing, you're good to go. Some cashew milk or some almond milk, whichever you prefer. I have both here. I gotta use this up, and then I'm gonna top it off with this. Unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla extract. So this is just like my typical base. You can add anything else that you want. Like right now, I have some Stonyfield Farms organic soy yogurt. And then I have some sad strawberries that really need some love and to be put in something. So they're gonna go in there today. Peel your banana. People call me Nene. Whatever liquid that you're using, just make sure that it comes up to the 2-cup mark. Since there's stuff in it, I'm pretty sure it's just like 1 cup, but this is just how I measure it in my blender. And it'll probably work in yours too, so. But actually, since I'm using yogurt in this one, I'm gonna add a little bit more liquid because too thick of a smoothie kind of makes me gag. So I put it up to the 3 mark. And then I just put like a cap full of vanilla. I'm pretty sure that's a teaspoon maybe. Alright, I drain the liquid off because it grosses me out. Woohoo! Blueberries and bananas always go amazing together. Usually I use plain, but this should be interesting. And then this is where I do measure. I've tried to use a little bit less than what I usually put in, and it doesn't taste chocolatey enough, but too much is gonna overpower it and make it taste kind of gross. So I do 1 tablespoon exactly of the cocoa powder. And then my sad little ugly strawberries. Okay, now we're good to go, and I'm gonna blend this for 1 minute exactly, because that's how I do things. And then I think I'm gonna do Maryland today. Yep. So here it is. It's a little bit pink and chocolatey and so good. That is some good stuff. I hope you guys try this. Ideas for smoothies are endless. This is just one of my favorites, so let me know what your favorite smoothie is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys next time. Bye.